Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to make some important announcements about the final exam and all other important stuff you need to know for the rest of the semester. So please pay attention, and if you have any questions, let me know, email me. Okay. So let me share my screen. First of all, as stated in the syllabus, the final exam grade and the final grade will not be posted on Canvas. You can access your final grade for the course via my.uw.edu portal. But in order for you to see your final grade at the UW portal, you must submit student assessment instruction. Okay, and that is the case for all the courses you're taking in UWF. That's the UWF policy, where they require students to submit student assessment instruction to see their final grade at myuwf.edu portal. And if you don't submit it, also I believe your account will have a hold for next semester. So make sure you submit student assessment instruction, also called SAI, for all the courses you're taking. And you can find SAI's student assessment instruction in your My UWA portal. Go here and search My Classes. If you search My Classes, it will show up right here. And if you click this, it will take you to all the courses you're taking this semester. And for each course, you can submit student assessment of instruction. Again, you must submit this before you can see your final grade. And your final grade will be available on December 16th, the Wednesday. So as long as you submit it before that, you should be fine. So you don't have to do it this week. You can do it even after final exam if you want to. Okay. So now let's talk about the final exam. Final exam is right here. It will be open 8 a.m. Sunday and due Wednesday. On the syllabus, it says due Tuesday, but again, I extended it one more day. Okay, so keep that in mind. And for the final exam, you'll be given 2 hours and 30 minutes. But that does not mean that I expect I'm making problems where students need 2 hours and 30 minutes. Right? So final exam is actually designed to students to spend about 1 hour and 30 minutes and most 2 hours. Okay, but we're giving extra times just in case. Okay, so keep that in mind. And this is the video you're watching right now. An additional part of the final exam. Yeah, we'll talk about that. So how should you study for the final exam? Here's some tips. First, attempt additional problem for the final exam, which is right here. This is mostly just collection of all the additional problem from the quiz 1 through 5. And I also added some problems for module 10 and 11, systems of linear equations, partial fraction decomposition, and sequence and series. Those concepts problems are also in here as well in Canvas quiz form. So try this and review additional problem for quiz 6 if you haven't already. It's right here. Where is it? Additional problem quiz 6, which is in my MATLAB form, like your homework, right? And doing this will help you identify the concepts you need to work on from step 1 to step 2, step 1 and step 2. Then rewatch the lesson and problem videos for those sections. So my suggestion is, as you work on this problem, write down the concepts or some things that you're struggling. Write it down on your paper. And that will help you to identify what section you need to review as a refresher. So then you can also go to your last page syllabus. It tells you which module number is what section. So if you're, for example, struggle with basic trigonometry, go to module 2 video, right? So then module 2 was week 2. So then you can find week 2. Here's a lesson video and me going over some problems, right? Okay, so this can help you identify what you need to work on. And there are more resources. You can also review week 15 final exam review problems. So this is what you'll be working on this week's lab session. So if I go to weekly lab session, all the way bottom, here's the weekly week 15. Week 15, let me bring it here. Week 15 final review problems. And this document also contains the answers in the last 3 or 2 pages. So you can check your answer right away. And your lab leaders will go over selected problems from this document. They will not have time to go over all the problems, But again, one of my role as an instructor is give you many problems as a resource for you to try, so you can self-assess your own learning, right? Again, lab leaders will go over some of the problems on this page, in this document. And please come to office hours. I'll be very happy to help you. Email me if you have any questions or if you want to make appointment office hours. And final week office hour is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Again, it's a little different. I usually don't have office hour on Tuesdays, but since our final exam is due Wednesday, it doesn't make sense for me to have office hour on Thursday. So instead, I'm going to have office hour on Tuesday. And as you may already know, office hours, the office hour link is right here by syllabus schedule. This link right here. If you click this, it will take you to the virtual room where I'll be logged in during this time. Okay. But I'm also available outside of those times. Just email me. I'll be very happy to help you. I'll be happy to meet you one-on-one virtually. If you can also email. If you don't want to meet virtually, you can just email me the question. I'll email you back. Okay. And I'm also available this week as well. So please feel free to reach out anytime. I'm very happy to help you. The final exam is very important because it's a 25% of your final grade. Right? So it's important for you to be diligent about reviewing all the concepts you need to review. And also reach out if you need any help. Okay. Okay. So I hope I make that clear that I'm here to help you. Okay, and a few more reminders. As you have noticed, the sequence and series homework, because during Thanksgiving break, 1 or 2 days, the Pearson had a server down. So I extended the due date to this Friday. Okay, so keep that in mind. I know many of you already completed, but if you haven't, make sure to complete this. And also bonus homework, right? I know we all took the beginning survey. Now there's post survey for everyone. Again, if you complete these, you just get credit, right? So make sure you take post survey. Okay, it's just bonus credit, easy credit, completion based. Okay. Yeah, so I think that covers everything I wanted to talk about. Final exam is mandatory; you must take it. Okay. And as I said, make sure to submit student assessment of instruction so you can see your final grade. Okay. Email me if you have any questions.